Welcome. This is a quick fix 5-minute morning yoga stretch you can do right in bed or on the mat. Let's begin laying. Hug the knees towards the chest. Big hug here, big squeeze. As you exhale, plant the feet. Allowing the knees to fall open, bottoms of feet to touch for supine butterfly pose. Drawing the breath into the belly. Exhale, softening the spine, sighing out any tension within the body with each exhale, allowing the knees to be heavy and just observing how the body feels here. We'll inhale, draw the knees back up. As you exhale, take both knees over towards your left. Back stays flat on the mat for supine twist. Elbows in line with the shoulders. Softening the body with each exhale, and with each inhale, creating that space. Inhale back to center. Exhale, the knees over towards your right. Once again, with each inhale, creating that space within the body. And with each exhale, sighing out any tension. Inhale back to center. Rock the knees gently side to side. And when you're ready, we'll gently come up, taking a tabletop pose, wrist under shoulders, knees under hips. As you inhale, dropping the belly, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement. Release, sending the hips down for child's pose. Sighing out any tension within the shoulders and the upper back. We'll draw the breath into the belly. Exhale, allowing the hips to be heavy here. Full breath, inhale. As you exhale, walking the hands over towards your left. Here we'll draw the breath into the right rib cage. As you exhale, softening the shoulders. Inhale back to center. Exhale, walk the hands over towards your right. Drawing the breath into the left side body, the left rib cage. Exhale, softening the shoulders. Release back to center. On an inhale, rounding up one vertebrae at a time. Let the head come up last. Taking a moment here, circulating the head, feeling out all the clicks and ticks. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.